Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a comprehensive review of the Anycubic Kobra 3D printer. This sleek and promising machine has been making waves in the market, catering to both beginners and seasoned makers. Let's get into the nitty-gritty details. Starting off with design and build quality, the Anycubic Kobra is a sight to behold. Its modern, sleek design complements any workspace, and the sturdy metal frame ensures stability during those intricate prints. The compact footprint is perfect for smaller areas, and the all-metal Hotend guarantees consistent heating for top-notch print quality. Assembling the Kobra is a breeze, making it accessible to everyone, whether you're a newbie or a 3D printing pro. The included instruction manual is your trusty guide throughout the setup process. Within just a few hours, you'll be up and running. The pre-calibrated bed is a game-changer that saves you time and hassle. Now, let's talk performance. The Anycubic Kobra shines here with its versatility. It handles various filaments like a champ, from PLA and ABS to TPU and PETG. And the dual-gear extruder is a superstar, ensuring flawless filament feeding and consistent extrusion. The fine layer resolution is the secret behind those smooth, accurate prints that'll blow your mind. Navigating the Anycubic Kobra's interface is an intuitive experience thanks to its color touchscreen interface. Effortlessly traversing menus and adjusting settings becomes second nature. The addition of the filament runout sensor and power loss recovery is a testament to Anycubic's commitment to user convenience. No longer will prints be derailed by unexpected interruptions. The Anycubic Kobra extends compatibility to various slicing software, including Cura and Prusa Slicer, allowing users to tailor their experience to their preferences. Connectivity is facilitated through both USB and micro SD card options, granting multiple avenues for file transfer. While Wi-Fi connectivity might be absent, the dual connectivity options ensure a seamless connection to your chosen slicing software. Let's talk value. The Anycubic Kobra delivers bang for your buck. With its features, performance, and price point, it's a sweet spot for both newbies dipping their toes into 3D printing and veterans looking for an upgrade. So, wrapping it up, the Anycubic Kobra 3D printer is a solid choice for anyone eager to explore the world of 3D printing. It's got the looks, the performance, and the user-friendliness that can't be ignored. The Kobra stands tall as a worthy addition to your creative arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you're as excited about 3D printing possibilities as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy printing, everyone!